Guys, back with another video. So today, this one I'm going to be teaching you all. I found the easiest way to build an AI customer service chatbot agent for free on this platform, completely free. There is paid options on there, but you probably only need the free plan. But before I get into the tool, there's some things that you need to understand about training these AI chatbots and why you need to be selling these AI chatbots. So, as I said, we're going to be building a customer service chatbot agent. And so why AI chatbot agents are game changers for customer service. So the problem with traditional customer service is high cost. Businesses spend billions annually on customer support teams. They've got slow response times, so most companies will manually reply to them customer service messages, so it would take them hours or even days just to respond to a simple inquiry. And they're inconsistent as well. So humans will forget to reply. They'll misinterpret stuff or change how they handle customer requests. So this is how AI fixes these problems now. 24/7 instant responses. It will reply within 2-3 seconds, any time of the day. Does not matter. It doesn't get tired. It doesn't need a break. Once you prompt them correctly and stick around, because towards the end of this video, I'm going to be giving you a free prompt. So yeah, AI follows a structured approach every time if you prompted the chatbot correctly. It handles 80% of queries automatically, so reduces the load on human agents. There might be times where you might have to use a human agent if I don't know, something goes wrong or someone's not happy, and it can scale effortlessly. So yeah, like I said, it can handle 1 or 1,000 customers at the same time. So you're not waiting for humans to respond. Here's some proof to back it up. This is from McKinsey and Company. So obviously we can see the correlation here with customer satisfaction and churn. And McKinsey and Company is a consulting firm that even writes stuff for the United States Department of Defense. So they're a accredited source, and they also hear why service matters. So there's a strong correlation between customer experience retention, with overlap as high as 80 to 90% in some markets. Even if a telco's prices are the lowest available, customers reeling from poor customer experience, faulty connectivity, or surprise charges on their bills are unlikely to respond well to any marketing campaign. So I say there's 3 pillars of the customer service AI. And the first pillar is defining the chatbot's role and personality. So bad AI behavior. The chatbot gives generic or robotic replies. And don't worry, I'm going to be going over a few examples very soon. Here's an example of good AI behavior. So the chatbot speaks like a professional customer service agent. So a bad example would be to prompt your AI, "Hello, how may I assist you today?" Awful. All right. A good example would be, "Hi there, you've reached company name support. I can help with refunds, shipping, and product questions. What do you need help with today?" So this company name, it could either be your company or your client's company. You can use this for your literally your company or your client's company. So the second pillar is structuring customer support interactions properly. So here's the best AI service flow. So acknowledge the user's issue, ask a clarifying question if needed, provide the best possible solution or escalate it to a human, and confirm the user is satisfied before ending the conversation. So a bad chatbot example. Well, here's a bad chatbot conversation example. So the user says, "I want a refund." Okay, we have a refund policy. Okay, so what do? Check our website for details. User's frustrated because they don't get clear steps. A good chatbot example would be, so I want a refund. I can help with that. When was your purchase made? 3 weeks ago. Got it. Our refund policy covers items returned within 30 days. I could start the return process for you. Do you want to proceed? Yeah, there you go. So, and then the third pillar, making sure that AI stays on track and it actually understands its purpose. So what I mean by this, it needs to handle off-topic questions. So let's say if someone asks, "Can you tell me about your company's marketing strategy?" And the AI goes on about the marketing strategy. It's supposed to be a customer service AI. So our marketing team focuses on digital advertising, social media engagement, and influencer partnerships. The AI is providing an answer that isn't related to customer service. But here, when someone asks about the marketing strategy, this is a good example, I focus on customer support, troubleshooting. I recommend reaching out. Yeah, the AI acknowledges the question and it redirects the user to a relevant channel instead of just guessing. But so yeah, now we've gone over that. We've gone over that dead quick. Let me show you the free tool we're going to use to build this chatbot agent for free. Okay, so the way we're going to build it for free is on JotForm, and you'll need to create an account on here. Create a free account. Once you've created an account, you want to come here to create, and then you'll come to AI agent. And obviously, for the purpose of this video, we're going to be doing the chatbot. So here you can start with the form. You can give your AI agent a list of questions to ask the user, and it will follow that. You can use a template, or you can even clone yourself. So, but we're going to be building it from scratch, and you only need a brief description here. And obviously, we're doing customer service, so we can press customer support here. And once this is generated, then I'll show you what to do after that. So you'll be taken to a screen here. So we've got a AI support agent called Sam, and you'll have build, train, publish. So as I said, I'll give you a free prompt, and the free prompt is in the description below. So I won't be, asking for your details or anything. You can just get this for completely free. I just want to give you guys the best value. So I'm not going to go fully over this prompt, but I would recommend don't just copy and paste it in, because you're going to need to put stuff around your clients or your business, that information around that, FAQs there. Yeah, you can't just straight copy and paste it. You're going to have to make some changes to it. But for the sake of this video, I'm going to show you how this can answer questions, and yeah, just how you can use it on for your business. So I'll show you how this AI now handles questions. So I'll just move this, but you're going to be taught when you go to train this bot. You want to come down to knowledge base and then press knowledge and then input the prompt that I've given. So press save, and yeah, like I said, let's go back to train, because you can add you can add questions and answers as well. So say your client has a frequently asked question, you can just train this bot to answer that question every single time. So I'm not too sure. Like, you could say, what's the price of this? And I don't know. You can speak to your clients or whatever is part of your company, and you can know what your frequently asked questions are and just put that in there. And you can also have website URLs, so your companies or your website URL you can put on here, and it will actually scrape the page and get all the data from that page. So, and there's also actions. So let's say, I'm not going to go fully over this today, but if user asks about booking an appointment, let's say, or well, not for this case, asks about they ask a question about customer service, then you can say this exact message, but that could probably just go under what we've just been over on questions and answers. But anyway, right, I'm going to actually test this bot now. Okay, so dead quickly, I'm just going to give it a few questions. So let's say I can ask it, I keep getting an error when I try to reset my password. Please, can you fix this? I think the audio goes a little bit funny when I type on here, but yeah, you get that. So, and you can also change the wait time on this bot as well, but you should probably keep it on default, because you don't want it to reply too quick, because if it does so, people are going to know that it's an AI. But yeah, so it's handled the objection here. I understand how frustrating it can be. It understands it. It's being friendly. Please try clear your browser. Yeah, it gives it a solution to it. So you can have one. What's your return policy? So what's your I'll wait for the reply. Okay, so obviously the prompt that I give you, I think it does have stuff about return policies on there, but like I said, you need to know your return policy of your client or your business. So, but yeah, it gives you, even though it doesn't have the specific details about the return policy, it still asks for their order number, and you can connect automations to this. So, the last one. So, let's ask, can you tell me about your marketing strategy? And it should. Exactly. So obviously we gave good and bad examples, and this is a good example. So I'm sorry, but I can't provide information on our marketing strategy. If you have any other questions or need assistance with someone else, feel free to ask. So yeah, there you have it. That's it. That's just a little simple overview. You can go into JotForm. You can play around with the automations in there as well. But this is just to get you started. So I hope you've got value from this video, and I'll see you in the next one.